Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dear devotees, today let us know about the sadhana chatushtaya of Gnana Yoga. Sadhana chatushtaya of Brahma Vidya. Here, sadhana chatushtaya means four means of salvation. Our Vedanta Shastra says, Nitya Nitya Vastu Vivekaha Iha Mutra Phala Bhoga Viragaha Shamadamadi Sadhana Sampat Mumukshutvancha. Our Vedanta Shastra says, Nitya Nitya Vastu Vivekaha Iha Mutrartha Phala Bhoga Viragaha Shamadamadi Sadhana Sampat Mumukshutvancha. Eteshu sadhaneshu satsu Brahma jignasitum Gnatum cha shakyate iti. Here, our Vedanta Shastra says about the four means of salvation. We call it as sadhana chatushtaya. First one is viveka, discrimination. Second one is vairagya, dispassion. Third one is shamadamadi sadhana sampat, sixfold qualities of perfection. And last one is mumukshutvam, the intense longing for liberation. Here, Vedanta Shastra says, sadhana chatushtaya is the most essential basic qualities for all kind of spiritual seekers. Nitya Nitya Vastu Vivekaha Iha Mutrartha Phala Bhoga Viragaha. First one is Nitya Nitya Vastu Vivekaha. Here Viveka means a judging of the worth. That is Viveka. Nitya Nitya, the discrimination between the permanent and impermanent, between the real and unreal, between the self and non-self. This is Nitya Nitya Vastu Vivekaha. Iha Mutrartha Phala Bhoga Viragaha. Next one, that is Vairagya. Here Vairagya means is the dispassion for the pleasures of this world and that of heaven and other lokas. This is Vairagya. Third one is Shamadamadi Sadhana Sampat. Sixfold virtues, Sadgunas. What are they? They are, first one is Shama. Shama means state of being tranquil. Second one is Dhamma. Dhamma is the control over the natural instincts of the sensual organs and mind. This is Dhamma. Dhamma is a control over the natural instincts of the sensual organs and mind. Third one is Uparati. Uparati means it is the perfectness of the mind. Firm turning of the mind. Resolutely turning the mind away from the desire for the sensual enjoyment. This is Uparati. It's nothing but resolutely turning the mind away from desire for sensual enjoyment. Next one is Shraddha. Here Shraddha means the intense faith in the word of Guru, Shastra, and above all, one's own self. This is Shraddha. Next one is Titiksha. It's the power of endurance. And last one is Samadhana. Samadhana means fixing the mind on the Brahman, on the self, on the supreme truth, without allowing it to run towards the objects. This is Samadhana. So these are the sixfold virtues, Shamadamadi Sadhana Sampat. And fourth means of salvation, that is Sadhana Chatushtaya, is Mumukshutvam, the intense desire for salvation, or the intense desire for deliverance from vicious circle of birth and death. This is Mumukshutvam. So, our Vedanta Shastra says, Nityanitya Vastu Vivekaha Iha Mutrartha Phalabhoga Viragaha Shamadamadi Sadhana Sampat Mumukshutvancha Eteshu Sadhaneshu Sassu Brahma Jignasitum Gnatuncha Shakyate. Here, our Vedanta Shastra categorically says that to attain this knowledge of Brahman, to attain the knowledge of supreme truth, to attain the ultimate goal of our life, that is self-knowledge. Your caste, your creed, your gender, your wealth, your social status are not at all required. What you need is sincere practice of this sadhana chatushtaya. Here Vedanta Shastra says this sadhana chatushtaya, four means of salvation, is the most essential basic qualities for all kind of spiritual seekers. Hence, our Vedanta Shastra says, without the practice of this sadhana chatushtaya, without the sincere practice of this sadhana chatushtaya, you can't expect real progress in your spiritual path. So this is the significance of the sadhana chatushtaya. For all of you, this is the hitopadesham for the day. Sarve janaha sukhino bhavantu. Narayana, Narayana, Narayana.